not going to touch, we're not allowed to touch. But if you come closer, can somebody tell me what is this? Braille, very good. All right, Braille. Somebody asking about Braille? All right, so it's actually a form of communication for persons who are blind. Now, this mural was erected by artist Errol Keane, and he wanted to speak to well, of course, unfortunate incidences of what women face here in Jamaica and also in the... So guys, feel free to take pictures as we go along. So we're gonna continue. And here we have a lovely mural here by Zoria Allen, and it's actually untitled, so you can have the benefit of naming this mural, right, after we've finished elaborating on it. And of course, we see children here, all right? And as we were speaking about the previous mural, we spoke about the children and the different organizations set up in Jamaica to protect the rights of children, all right? So we have Sisoka Child Development and Family Planning Protection Agency, right? And of course, the children are the future. So whatever you want to call this mural, it's up to you. But it's a tribute to our children, Jamaica's children. Yes.
It's like sort of picture, and I like the style of it.
You like it? Very good. Yeah. And of course, the children are happy. You see, they're all smiling. They're having fun, having a good time to show that there is hope. Yeah? There's hope for our children. All right.
Hey, big man, no, you little picnic. Go on with that sweetie, you can't trick me. Take your own car and go on where you will go. Pervert, me no wanna drive from you. Pervert, me no wanna drive from you. God's gift to mankind, little children. Start with the shine, don't kill them. Murderer! You are gonna burn in the hell. You touch your little picnic, me I go tell. Kids don't talk to no stranger. Run and scream in the danger. From your earth children, electric chair. Those who agree, put your hand in the ear. Those who agree, put your hand in the ear.
No, give it up for Ngozi. No, give it up for Ngozi. I feel like the crowd wants to encore. Let's go one more time, my superstar Ngozi.
New song by Miss Louise Bennett. Good morning, teacher. How is you? Jacob John, but your right name is Michael Jacob Alexander Black. Not treat him rough, your teacher. If he's a sickly child, as you touch him hard, he make nice. Some people say him quiet. Not treat him rough, your teacher. If he's rude and start berate, he beats another boy and he'll be frightened and be ear. For enough time when he's there yard and won't hear me none talk, I just beat the men post hard. Ma, I don't want the ear drop ball. Now that you know him little ways, and I'd have no fear that anything we manage, so I let him in your